Robert, you can talk now.
Yes, thank you very much. Nice to meet you, by the way.
Nice to meet you, man. Thanks for coming on.
Yes, thank you. I do have a question. It's just a simple one. I'm still a beginner with YouTube, so I do wonder, like, how do you know if a script is good or not?
First of all, I would always read the scripts yourself, or are you writing them yourself? So,
come again? So
do you write the scripts yourself, or do you hire someone to write your scripts?
I hire someone.
Right. What I would do, Robert, first of all, in the accelerator course and the main course, I have a file called the channel strategy file. Once you have picked your niche, I want you to fill in that file because it goes over your competitors and how they make their titles, thumbnails, and their video. So let's say you are in the sports niche and do like soccer videos or something, right? If you get 5 to 10 competitors, their channel links in there, and look at how they structure their video script, you can mimic that style because apparently it's working for them. So see how the competitors are making their scripts and then put your script next to it and see if it aligns a little bit or if it's a lot different. And just if it's the same structure, you know, because they probably tested it already and know, like, saw from the data given by YouTube that it's working for them.
So what you mean is, like, you just watch the video of a good video with a lot of viewers and then see how it is built up, for example.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So what you do is you literally watch the video and you get a Word file next to it that says, like, okay, 0000, the introduction. How long is the introduction? How many paragraphs? How many lines? What are they saying in the introduction? Are they saying, welcome to my YouTube channel, please subscribe and like? That's like a super bad intro usually, right? But maybe they immediately get into like a question about the title and thumbnail. Then it's like maybe a better script, right? So first of all, look at what others are doing. And I would suggest you to leave out the excessive stuff like saying, welcome to my channel, please like and subscribe, because people get into your video, they just want to see what they came for and they don't know your channel, they don't know you, they don't want to hear to like and subscribe and everything, you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Andy gets a good tip here. He says, sometimes it's quicker to download the script of the competitor. So that's a very good thing too. I don't know if I have a video about it. I think I do. If you are on a YouTube video, under the video, on the right side, there's 3 little dots. If you click this, you can click on show transcript. This way, it shows the whole video transcript. You can then toggle off the timestamps for the video and copy and paste the whole script in a Word file.
Oh, that's a great tip, actually. Yeah.
Yeah. This way you can read their whole script pretty quickly. So that's good to know. Yeah. And then I would definitely just like make that list with competitors, like 5 to 10, watch some of their videos and just write down the structure of their video. How long is the intro? How long is the body? How long is the outro? Which words do they use in the intro and in the outro? And which questions do they ask, basically? All right?
All right. Thank you.
Perfect. If you have any more about it, share it in the Skool community and I will show you where the videos and the files are, okay?
All right.
Perfect. Anything else for now, Robert?
No, that's